All right. Okay. So whenever we're in Forex, we always want to follow the trend. Okay. So here we got a trend that goes, it's a buy trend going straight up to buy. Well, not straight up. We're always going to have a few pullbacks here and there, but overall the trend is a up buy. The thing about Forex is that you have to manage your emotions. I can't say that enough. Manage your emotions, manage your emotions, manage your emotions. As a beginning trader, you'll get in the trade here. It'll go up here and it'll pull back and you immediately jump out, not knowing that it's getting ready to make this whole big move and you'll miss it as it's just supposed to stand in these few 5-6 minutes and wait for it to turn around because you see a red candle and you jump out immediately. That's not what we're doing. If you do that, you'll always lose money and you'll forever hate Forex because you won't see the possibilities in it. Okay. So one thing that we're going to do is we're going to move up one time frame to the 5-minute time frame so that we can see the trends a little bit clearer. All right. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay. Now, the 5-minute trend is the same thing, down a little bit, but the difference is each one of these candles represents 5 minutes as opposed to 1 minute. So on a 5-minute trend, your moves are going to be much bigger. And what I mean by that is the size of your bet. If you are in a buy and you're on a 5-minute, your move will be bigger than it will be on a 1 minute. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Let's test it out. So let's take a 5-minute buy trend. Let's start here, right at the red candle, and we're going to measure it. To the left is a measurement tool. It's called, the measurement tool, the ruler. So we're going to click that and go to the bottom of this red candle and measure it all the way to the top. Okay, right there of this red candle. So 1 hour and 5 minutes, you can see right there, was the total time that it took for this move to happen, and it moved 183.5 points. So when you go to your bet, if you would just put a penny on it, in 1 hour and 5 minutes, you would have made $183.50. Okay. Now, if we go back to the 1 minute.
Can you please repeat that one more time for those in the back?
Okay. So we're on a 5-minute chart. Our moves on a 5-minute chart, if we're following a trend on the 5-minute chart, are much bigger than if we follow the trend on the 1-minute chart. So if we look at this move that started at 8 a.m. and we measure it from 8 a.m. 8 until 9:05, 1 hour and 5 minutes. If we would have put just 1 penny on this trade, it would have made us $187.02 in 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay. Now I want to show you the difference in the money because I want to move down one time frame to the 1 minute where we started. So that was 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now let's just look at a 1 minute trend. Here's a perfect one. Perfect up. So in 17 minutes, you made $63 if you would have used 1 minute. So you would have made double the money if you had stayed in a little bit longer. And that's what I'm just trying to show you. Okay. So even similarly, when you move up to the 15 minute, the trend is even bigger. So we had 186 we had 62 on the 1 minute, 186 on the 5 minute, which is 3 times that. And let's see what we get on the 15 minute. The 15 minute would have been 251 points. So that would have been $251, but it would have taken 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. So if we go similarly to the 30 minute and catch a trend, let's check that one out. That's the same one we just looked at. Same trend, 255. So let's look at this one over here. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Perfect. Here we go. Let's go from here to here. All right. So on a 30 minute, if we would have got in the buy, it would have gave us 514 points in 1 day and 3 hours with just 1 penny. And all we would have had to do is take an entry here at the bottom right there and just leave it alone. Just forget about it. And it would have made us that much money. So The possibilities are endless. On the contrary, if you get in the position the wrong way, you can also lose a lot of money. So we have to maintain risk management. Okay. Risk management will be another class. Setting up your trading view will be another class. Indicators will be another class. Today was just an introduction to Forex. I hope you learned something, and we will pick up here next time. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Join us in a trading session today. Book at ENS Consultations.com.